And then probably, who knows, I just might be supporting America in the World Cup. Stay tuned for that one.
And that's where I think the campaign might be lost for America in the head. Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another episode. And today we're doing something different. You know what? Let me introduce ourselves in standard English, right? Hey guys, welcome back to This or That Sports TV. I'm Joe Mar.
I'm Rush.
And today we'll be talking about something different, guys. As you know, we're a Jamaican channel that is mostly centered around local football and local sports. However, we are football fans generally, and especially CONCACAF fans. And today what we want to delve into is a very important topic, something pressing in CONCACAF after getting the news of Mckennie's injury, right? What are the US men's national team's chances of finishing successful in the next 3 games and qualifying for the World Cup? And is there a chance that they don't qualify?
And we're closing on 1,000 subscribers, so we're doing a giveaway, people. Stay tuned. Next week we'll be telling you what the gift prize is, and also we'll be telling you how you can win that prize.
And with that said, wouldn't you want your friends to also be eligible to get the gift?
There we go.
So guys, just share the video. Get 5 friends and share up the video.
Right, so people, if you check social media, if you check all of the popular channels in America, I think there's a big overreaction about this. My opinion. I don't think there's any need for panic. If this news was received, a bit earlier, maybe 2 or 3 months ago, then there will be real need to panic. But I think there's this big overreaction, and America will make it to the World Cup safe. They'll be fine. I don't know the position that they'll make it. We can make some predictions later in the video. But I think America will be fine, man. Their best players out though, which means, and they have, you can say, these are the 3 most important games for the rest of the campaign. And you can say the 3 most important for the whole campaign.
Yeah.
There's no game more important than this. And they are difficult games. So they can't afford to slip up. But I think it's overreaction. I think America will be safe. America will make it to Qatar. And yeah, that's it.
Before we really get into it, is it safe to say though that throughout these World Cup qualifiers that Weston Mckennie has been one of, if not the best player for the US men's national team?
Yeah, I think it's safe to say he is the best player for America.
Yeah, obviously we know that Captain America Christian Pulisic is the face of US men's soccer, and he is, probably the most decorated player, playing at Chelsea, doing very well in the Champions League. However, I think based on recent form, Weston Mckennie has been doing it very well domestically, and he has been doing very well in US colours.
And this has not been Pulisic's best season, whether domestically or international. It's just not his best season. Not doing a lot for America. I'm pretty sure a lot of the American fans will be saying that Pulisic is underperforming. I'm sure that's not an unpopular opinion. But yeah, carry on your take.
Yeah, so I've been very impressed with Mckennie. I've not necessarily been very impressed with how the US men's national team have been playing. Obviously coming to the national stadium in Jamaica, getting a draw, not very impressive. Recently going to Canada and not being able to get anything from that game. They're coming down very hard on Greg Berhalter. He managed to, get 6 points in terrible football conditions in Columbus and in Minnesota. And that set them up in a position where they should be able to easily see out the rest of the campaign. However, this brings back to memory USA's last World Cup campaign, where they had an easy job to get it done and weren't able to get it done. Do you think that there's a chance that they might battle it in the last 3 games of the campaign?
No. When you do the math, right, if you look at the table, a lot of people would say that America is having a poor campaign. Right, it's safe to say. They're underperforming.
Based on expectations.
So America is underperforming.
Because I will say that they are the most talented team in CONCACAF.
I would agree. No, America is underperforming. Canada is playing great. Canada is overperforming. But at the same time, America is just 3 points behind Canada. Right? So, in fact, we're here talking about if Canada will not make it to the World Cup.
If USA
will not make it to the World Cup, USA can top the CONCACAF qualifiers.
Alright.
They are just 3 points out.
Yes, but you made that point now, and that allows me to segue into my next point, and it is upcoming fixtures, right? Let's go through these fixtures really quickly that the US men's national team will have to play.
Alright, so the next 3 fixtures for America They go to the Azteca to take on Mexico.
Yeah.
Then they host Panama at home, and then they travel to Costa Rica. Those are the 3 games. What are you saying about that?
All right. So, and you know the teams that Canada play. Canada travels to Costa Rica. Canada hosts Jamaica, and Canada goes to Panama. Right. 2 big away games for Canada, you'd say, but I think hosting Jamaica in Canada, even though I am a Jamaican, that should be a game where Canada should be able to get 3 points in.
Yep.
And I think out of Costa Rica and Panama, Canada should be able to get 3 points from one of those games. I do believe so, especially based on the form that they're playing in, right? So, as compared to Mexico, who has Costa Rica and Panama, but as compared to America, who has Costa Rica and Panama, but instead of Jamaica, they have Mexico, right?
Bro.
And Panama plays very well, you know, and Costa Rica has shown time and time again that when their backs are against the wall, they manage to eke out a result.
Bro, think about it. You know that Canada's formula is to draw on the road, win at home, right?
Yeah.
Canada have 1 home game in the last 3.
Yeah.
So, let's say the formula bears 2 through the rest of the campaign.
5 points.
That's 5 points.
Yeah.
America can win out, and suddenly they are ahead of Canada. I don't think that will happen, and we can go on to make the prediction. I don't think it will happen. They lost their best player. They're going to slip. They're going. And let's talk about the games. The first game in the Azteca.
All right, so let's go. All right, so America travels to Mexico, right, to play at altitude in the Azteca. Mexico are desperate. First and foremost, Mexico
on the same points as America.
Yeah, Mexico really needs to go out and get some points to secure qualification. So I do think that in the Azteca, Mexico will bring a good game, and we see Raul Jimenez catching form. You know, he's playing well in the Premier League. I think he'll get a call up again for those set of games. I think Mexico's team will be stronger, and they'll be bolstered by the additions that some players might bring to them. So I do think that they will grab 3 points from America in the Azteca, right? And then I think that game might start to put some pressure on the Americans. I know it will be a mental battle for the next 2 games. And that's where I think the campaign might be lost for America, in the head and not necessarily on the pitch.
Right. Now, what I'm going to say is, in order for America not to make it to the World Cup, they will have to finish 5th or lower, right?
No, they can finish 4th.
They can finish 4th, but if they go to the playoffs,
1 game against New Zealand.
If they go to the playoffs, America will be making it to the World Cup. So I'm going to say, my perspective, America will need to finish 5th or lower, right? Right now, I think Costa Rica is in 5th or Panama with 16 points.
Costa Rica is in 5th.
Costa Rica with 16 points, which means that America will only need to win 1 of the next 3 games to be safe. They can't fall any lower than 4th if they win 1 of the next 3 games. Right, and you think America will go through the rest of the campaign and not win a game? They will lose out?
This game, as I said, hopefully it can do really well in the American niche, right? Would 4th place be acceptable to you guys that are watching as American fans? US men's national team soccer fans, comment in the comment section down below. Would 4th place be acceptable for you guys? I do not think so. And also, at the end of the day, 1 elimination game in Qatar is a lottery, bro.
But that's not the conversation. That's not the conversation. Yeah, we're not talking about what's acceptable.
Even if they come 4th, it's 1 playoff game miles away in Qatar. It's a lottery. Anything can happen. You know,
bro, come on. Don't make a take you don't want to make. America would win that game.
It's
easily.
A lottery.
America will win that game easily.
I'm not necessarily going to say that, in the playoffs, a 1-half game. Normally the playoffs would be 2 legs and I would be America guaranteed. But this year that's not the case.
Right.
A 1-half game, it's a lottery. So I don't think America will be comfortable in the playoffs. However, I also don't think America will get more than 1 point from the next window.
Whoa, that's a big take. And yeah, let's get down to the meat of the matter. Will America make it to the next World Cup?
Alright, I think America will make it to the next World Cup. However, I don't think they'll be as comfortable as they would have expected to be. And I think it will be heavily attributed to the Mckennie injury.
Give me a position.
Alright, so I think it will be between them and Panama for the 4th spot. And I think it may well just come to go difference because I don't think Panama will win out either. I don't think Panama will be able to get a result against Canada. So I do think USA might be able to get that 3rd spot, but I don't think 4th is out of the realm of possibility for them.
My take is very concrete. America will be finishing 3rd in the group. They will not get 1 point out of the next 3 games. America will be winning at least one of those games. At least against Costa Rica or Panama. I'm not going to put my head on the block and say they'll beat Mexico in the Azteca. That's a hard game. But they'll win one of the next two. Right? So America will be safe. It will be a comfortable qualification towards Qatar. And that's Russia's take right now. We'll see who is accurate at the end of March it is.
Uncomfortably comfortable?
No man. Comfortable is what I'm predicting.
Can't be comfortable. Canada's qualification is comfortable.
No.
Canada needs one point to automatically qualify for the World Cup.
If Mexico wins out, Mexico can jump Canada.
Canada needs 1 point at least one to automatically qualify.
True. I guess they still
Canada has not lost it.
True, they still have something to think about. So it's not totally comfortable, but I'm saying for the rest of the campaign, they just win one more game and America is sitting in third. And too much have happened. If this happened 5 games ago, I would say yes. But Panama has to win out, or at least win 2 of the next 3 games where they play Canada and America. Costa Rica needs to win out, where they also play Canada and America. And I don't think that will happen. So that's my take on it. America making it to the World Cup. And then probably, who knows, I just might be supporting America in the World Cup. Stay tuned for that one.
So yeah, I think when it's all said and done, America might qualify. America will qualify for the World Cup. However, I think it will be much closer than it would have been had Mckennie been around. I think
for sure.
America, for sure. I think you guys are really going to miss Weston. And I think the Americans are really going to miss Mckennie. He has been the shining light throughout this campaign for America.
And this is the point where Christian Pulisic needs to step up.
Yeah, and you know, other players that can lift their game like Rodan and Acosta, you know, it's time for them to show why they are in Greg Berhalter's team. So, what do you guys think about the injury to Mckennie and how it will affect America's chances going through to the World Cup? Let us know in the comment section. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in. You get me? I say it was fun talking to you guys. It was fun making videos like this, and we'll be doing more CONCACAF related videos going forward. You know, we're diversifying. We're not only a channel for Jamaicans, but we're a channel for the world, and we'll be doing more global content.
Yeah, man. We have the dream big. The dream big. It's not just local. You know, we're going past airport. So yeah, people, subscribe to the channel, man. Grow the thing. If each one of you guys can get us 5 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day? Yep. So thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for all the OG subscribers. We love every single one of you guys. This was This or That Sports TV. And we're out.